Hello kitchen queens and kings. Today I have come up with really easy and unique recipe of making cheese bus paratha. So let's quickly move on to the recipe. So here I have made soft dough of wheat flour. I made this dough simply just like we make for chapatis. Now we will make a ball out of this dough and flatten it with rolling pin. Instead of using wheat flour, you can also use refined flour for this recipe, but this is the better way and the healthier way to make cheese bus paratha. Try to roll the chapati as thin as you can, as if you roll it too thick, it will not taste good. So here we have rolled our chapati. Now we need processed cheese slice. So I am using Amul. You can take any brand's cheese slice. As we are making cheese bus paratha, I am using 2 cheese slices, but you can make it with 1 cheese slice only. And if you want to make it really cheesy, you can use 3 cheese slices. So it's up to you. So we will keep the cheese slices in the center of chapati. Now let's sprinkle some chili flakes and Italian seasoning or pizza seasoning. It is completely optional, but it will give our paratha a nice flavor. And if you don't have seasoning, you can replace it with a little bit of garam masala or black pepper powder. And now we will wrap our cheese with chapati like this. Wrap it in the manner so the cheese should not be visible. So when you roll the chapati, keep this thing in your mind that it should not be very small. It should be able to cover the cheese properly. And now with the help of some flour, we will gently roll it again. I did not use salt in this paratha as cheese is salty and seasoning too has salt in it, so we don't need to use extra salt. And we have rolled our paratha, so let's move on to the gas burner. Pan is hot and we will keep the flame on medium to high. Let's flip it over, and now on this side we will apply 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee. And we will flip it again. As you can see, it's turning crispy. Cheese is also melting. So let's take it out on a plate. As you can see, it is looking amazing, and let me cut it for you and we will see how cheesy it is. It took really less time to make it and the taste is unbelievable. So you do try this recipe at your home. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And don't forget to share your experience with me in comment section. Subscribe my channel for more such easy, tasty and quick recipes. And tap on the bell icon too so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. We will catch up again really soon.